Hey guys, this is Ring Gaming from server 1051, and we got a countdown in 1051 about upcoming Meteorite Iron War. You can see 3 days 18 hours. That was exactly 4 days at server reset, and you can see that's Meteorite Iron War falling soon on server 1054, and there's a location given in here for go section. As you can see, there will be 4 participants in here, like 1045, 1047, 1053, 1051, and we gonna have to score to win the Meteorite Iron War. The higher ones will get win. As you can see, high yield area is marked in red and low yield area is marked in yellow field, and there are lots of chest rewards for you. As you can see, from 15k valued at 2450 diamonds, you're gonna get on points, diamond, drone parts, speed ups, level tight coin chest, and there are lots of boxes like that. As you get the highest score or complete all the boxes, you're gonna get lots of honor points, hero shard, and exclusive weapon choice chest. Also premium cheap material, that is gonna be 100. So it's a huge amount of rewards for you if you playing. And gather meteorite iron for rewards. Alliance ranking is now unlisted right now. If you click on the I button, you're gonna get all the boxes and all the details about how to get meteorite iron war. You can get meteorite iron by moving to the contaminated land, gathering meteorite debris, meteorite crystal, or stellar cores. If your base is breached, other commanders won't steal your collected meteorite iron, but you'll lose some meteorite crystals and stellar cores stored in the base. If your base is knocked off the map, all gathered crystals and stellar coals will be lost. So you need to be careful for that. And you can see the alliance ranking from here. There will be 2 rounds, like round 1, round 2, and there will be individual ranking for you for those 2 rounds. Okay, so you can click on these individual ranking rewards to see what rewards you're gonna get. Like, you can see the individual rewards from here for rank 1 to about rank 1000. So there are lots of good rewards, like alliance contribution points, some valor badges, some good resource chests. Also there are training speed ups and there are healing speed ups. Okay, so this varies from one rank 1 to rank 1000. And there is alliance ranking reward also. If your alliance gets the number 1 spot, you're gonna get lots of good rewards like this. Like, you're gonna get 3 reward decoration chest, and there are universal exclusive weapons about 15, so that's good. Also, you're gonna get 20,000 honor points, and the rewards are up to 100 alliances. Okay, so, and if you go to the area Meteorite Iron War, from here you're gonna see a indicator given in here, just like on front page you can see meteorite falling soon. This is the alarm you're gonna get for 105154. This time it's going to hit to 1054, so we're gonna go to the 1045, sorry, and fight the meteorite iron war for resources. And let's go back to the meteorite iron war section, and if you click on the I button, you're gonna get the meteorite iron event stages. Like preview stage, there will be from Tuesday to Thursday. The event enters the preview stage, showing the location of the first meteorite and the target warzone 2 contest. When the warzone duel event starts, the meteorite iron war will not be available. Okay, Then contest stage, the contest stage is open at local times. You can see local times and server times also. Each round lasts 30 minutes. Earn as many meteorite iron points as you can. The leaderboard is based solely on the points collected within this round by individual or alliances. So there will be 30 minutes rounds, okay, each round. So there will be two rounds, so it will be around 60 minutes, 1 hour for you. And the preparation stage, the time between two contest stages will show the leading point of the next meteorite and the war zone aiming to siege it. Display stage, once all the contest stages are complete, the display stage begins when individual and alliance leaderboard rewards are settled. Let's see how to earn points. So you're gonna earn points like contaminated land. During the event, teleporting your base to the contaminated land inside the crater will generate 40 meteorite iron per second. Teleporting from outside the crater to any spot inside does not consume a teleporter. So basically you're gonna have to teleport your base to contaminated land for generating 40 meteorite iron per second automatically. And then there is a meteorite debris resource gathering earns 40 meteorite iron per second. When you are gathering meteorite debris, instantly receives 300 meteorite iron when finished, okay. And then there is a meteorite crystal resource gathering earns 80 meteorite iron per second when gathering. Once gathering is complete, you will instantly receive 1.5k meteorite iron and the crystals will be transported back to your base. Base gains crystal generates 30 meteorite iron per second at your base. If the base is breached, some meteorite crystals will be lost, but the collected meteorite iron remains safe. So there are also stellar cores. You can earn 160 meteorite iron per second when gathering stellar cores. Once gathering is complete, you will instantly receive 6k meteorite iron and the stellar cores will be transported back to your base. So you wanna get base gains according to stellar core generates 120 meteorite iron per second at your base. If the base is breached, some stellar cores will be lost, but the collected meteorite iron will still remain safe, okay. So you can collect all the resources like contaminated lands, then meteorite debris, then meteorite crystal and the stellar cores. There are rewards like meteorite iron, rare meteorite resources used to unlock event chests. Those are down. I showed you earlier. Then there is alliance ranking. During the display stage, rewards will be issued based on your alliance highest ranking in the event, and all alliance members will receive the rewards. So it is a like alliance event, so you're gonna get high rewards if your alliance score high points. Then there is an individual ranking also. During the display stage, individual rewards will be sent based on the commander's best ranking across all event rounds. So you can try to get high rewards by scoring your individual score. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more gaming related content. Thank you.